मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. Yes, my dear students, in previous class we are started the new lesson, right? That is into the future. Yes, in previous class what happened? Yes, here the time machine. Here the narrator went to his future life and he has the time machine, right? That time machine has 3 levers. Lever means what? Yes, lever means switch or handle. Here that time machine has 3 levers, right? One lever, that lever push up means he went into the past, right? And another lever push down means he went to his future life. And another lever is stop. That is, wherever he wanted and whenever he wanted, he automatically stop that lever, right? The last lever is stop. Understood? Yes. After that, what happened? Yes. Let us discuss in today's class. I will continue the remaining lesson. See, my dear students, I sat down in the seat of the time machine and looked at my watch. 19 minutes past 4. I held my breath and pulled the lever down a tiny bit. Here, the narrator sat down in his seat of the time machine. He sat down in his time machine and he looked at his watch because time already rolled down, because here the time 19 minutes past 4. 19 minutes past 4 means here 19 minutes left. Only 19 minutes left. So that he watched his watch. And I held my breath and pulled the lever down a teeny bit. Yes, he was very scared and he held his breath very fast. And he pulled his lever down a teeny bit. Teeny bit means a somewhat. He somewhat pulled his lever down. And see, it felt as if I was falling through endless space, my stomach trying to squeeze into my throat. Here, it felt as if I was falling through endless space. Yes, he felt that if I pushed lever down means I was falling through endless space. I was falling through that space. That space may be whatever. He felt that I was falling through endless space. He felt like that. And his stomach trying to squeeze into my throat. Throat means, see, this is the throat. Stomach trying to squeeze into my throat. My mouth gasping for air. Quickly I pulled the stop lever. Yes, he was very scared about it. So that he quickly pulled the stop lever. Quickly he stopped the lever. Next, I looked around me and my heart sank. My coat will hung over a chair. Yes, I looked around me. See, here narrator looked around his surroundings and his heart sank. Sank means what? His heartbeat, that is beating. His heart started to beating. Next, my coat still hung over a chair. Yes, his coat hung over a chair. Next, my tools were where I had laid them. My workshop was just as I had left it. My machine was a failure. Here, his workshop tools had laid them, and his workshop was just as I had left it. He left his workshop, and that my machine was a failure. Here, his machine was a failure. Next, what happened? See that. Then I saw daylight coming through the windows and my heart started beating faster. Yes. Here he saw daylight. He saw daylight coming through the windows. Yes, he saw through the windows that daylight coming, and my heart started beating faster. Yes, here his heart started to beating very fast because time already rolled on, so that his heart started beating faster. Next, the clock on the wall said 9:05. Is here time. The time is already 9:05. Only 9 minutes left. Next, my watch read 21 minutes after 4. His watch read 21 minutes after 4. I had travelled more than 5 hours in just 2 minutes. He had travelled more than 5 hours in just 2 minutes. Like that he felt, if I push his lever down means I travelled more than 5 hours in just 2 minutes. So that here the time machine worked. Like that his time machine worked. In just 2 minutes, more than 5 hours travelled. Understood? Next, I suppose I should have stopped then and planned my next move, but I could not wait any longer to journey through time. Yes, here, I suppose I should have stopped then and planned the next move. Yes, here the time machine has 3 levers, right? Yes, he wanted to stop. One lever means wherever he wanted, he stopped that lever and he planned to next move. But I could not wait any longer to journey through time. Here, he could not like to wait any long journey to travel through time. So that he stopped then and planned to next move. I pulled the lever down again a little harder than before. Here, he pulled the lever down again. Again, he pulled his lever down and a little harder than before. Before he pulled his lever right, so a little. Before he pulled his lever down like that, a little harder than before he pulled his lever. Next, time outside the time machine speeded up. Time outside the time machine speeded up. The time machine speeds very fast. The time machine speeded up. I saw my housekeeper whisk into the room and clean it in record time. It means he saw housekeeper. And what they are doing? Housekeeper, what they are doing here is housekeeper whisk into the room and clean it in record time. Here whisk means what? Move very quickly, making a continuous sound. What is that? Move very quickly, making a continuous sound. I saw my housekeeper whisk into the room and clean it in record time. He saw housekeeper and that housekeeper whisked into the room. He whisked into the room and cleaned it in record time. Next, it was clear that she could not see me. He was clear that. Narrator was clear that she could not see me. Then, I pulled the lever further down and saw the window grow dark. Then it brightened. Yes. He pulled the lever down. He pulled the lever further down and he saw the window grow dark. Yes. After he pulled his lever down and he saw through a window, and that time window grow dark. Grow dark means it is already night. He saw through the window, it already grow dark. Next, then it brightened. Brightened means blinking. That is blinking in the dark. Then it darkened again. That is lights off. Next, days went by like blinking lights. Yes. Like that here days are went by blinking lights. Next, I pulled the lever down even more and everything around became a blur. He continued, pulled the lever down again, even more, and everything around us blur. Blur means unclear. It is an unclear in the surrounding. That is, everything around become a blur. The walls and window of my workshop vanished. Yes, because he pulled his lever down so that the walls and windows of the workshop are vanished. Vanished means disappear, that cannot be seen by our eye. That is already vanished. Next, the machine was swaying now. Swaying means moving from side to side. Here, that machine was moving from side to side. I wanted to pull the lever all the way down. I did. Yes, here he did that. He pulled the lever again all the way. He pulled his lever down. Next, around me was a world of wonders with huge buildings rising taller and taller. Yes, here the narrator wished to vent his future life, right? So that he already went his future life and his surroundings are world of wonders and huge buildings rising taller and taller because he went future life. Skies changing from dark grey to bright blue. Here skies changing from dark grey to bright blue. And a countryside that grew greener and greener. Here countryside all over the country grew greener and greener. Next, I looked at the dials of the time machine which told me how fast and far I was travelling. Yes, he looked at the dials of the time machine. That time machine told me how fast and far I was travelling. Yes, he know that time machine how fast and far I was travelling. That tells to narrator. I was shocked. Yes, he was very shocked because he had gone much faster and further than I thought. He went much faster and further than he thought. I was in the year 8,02,701 AD. Yes, 8,02,701 AD. He gone much faster. He gone that much of faster. Then those huge numbers made me lose my head and panic. Yes, because that much of huge numbers, that is 8,02,701 AD. Okay, he was in the year 8,02,701 AD because those huge numbers made his loss, and my head and panic made his loss, head and panic. Next, I pulled hard on the stop lever and paid the price for it. Yes, he pulled the lever hard on the stop lever. He stopped that machine. And he paid the price for it. Yes, how much price he paid for that? Next, the stop was too sharp and the machine tipped over. Yes, here narrator stopped his lever wherever he wanted. So that he stopped the lever and he paid the price for it. Next, the stop was too sharp and the machine tipped over. The machine tipped over means here, tipped means tilted and fell into one side. The machine fell to one side. I was thrown from my seat. Yes, he was thrown from his seat. See, he was thrown from his seat. Yes, he seated on the grass. Because that machine moved from one side to another side. That machine tilted. Next, stunned, I lay on soft green grass. Yes, he lay on the soft green grass. Next, I heard a very stung my face. Yes, he heard a very loud of thunderclap. Thunderclap means sound of thunder. You know that thunder, rain, thunder, hailstones, right? That thunderclap, he heard a very loud noise. And shower of hailstones stung my face. Hailstones means here balls of ice. That balls of ice ran from the clouds. And it was impossible to see. It was very impossible to see. It is very harder to see that. Because that hailstones stung my face. Next, a fine welcome. Admittal. A man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit and this is the greeting he gets. Is after he lay on the soft green grass and after he heard a loud noise of thunderclap and hailstones and he speak in his lower voice. That is a fine welcome. And a man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit and this is the greeting he gets. As he speaks in a very low voice, that is a fine welcome. And a man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit. Is a man travels how many years? 8 lakh years for a visit and this is the greeting. And this is the greeting he gets. Next, then the hail thinned and the sun shone through a break in the clouds and I got my first good look at the world of the future. Yes, see, then the hail thinned after the, what that? After the hailstones, that is ice balls are melted. After that, the sun shone through a break in the clouds. That sunshine break the clouds and he got his first good look at the world of the future. After the sunshine came, he got his first good look at the world of the future. He looked at a very bright future. Understood? Here narrator went to his future life. He went around 8 lakh years. That is 8,02,701 AD. He went to his future life. And he got his first good look at the world of the future. Understood, my dear students? This lesson, that is into the future. That is this lesson an extract from the Time Machine. That is a novel book that is written by the H.G. Wells. Yes, I think you all understood this lesson. If any doubt means, please contact me. My dear students, in the next class, I will come back with the new lesson. Thank you.